Hi, welcome back to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain. In the Indian economic development, under Unit 6, Chapter 2, the goals of 5-year plans, we have already seen the first and the foremost goal, growth. The second goal was equity. And the third goal was modernization. We'll be explaining modernization goal of 5-year plans. What exactly? It's simple goal, right? Modernization. So we already discussed earlier that the Britishers ruled India for almost 200 years. During those 200 years, they left the economy in shatters. The agriculture was in bad shape, industries were in bad shape. They treated the economy as a colony. They exported all the raw materials from India and imported finished goods. As a result, the economy was really in a bad condition. They never bothered about introducing new technology in India, modernizing agriculture, modernizing industries, nothing, absolutely. So that is why the most important goal of the 5-year plans was modernization. What exactly is modernization? Modernization means introducing new technology. Let it be in industries, let it be in agriculture. So obviously when they have a new technology, obviously the production will go up. We'll be able to produce more. So we have an illustration of Green Revolution. In the Green Revolution, they introduced hybrid variety of seeds. They given you new technology to the farmers to produce modern fertilizers or chemical fertilizers. All these help to increase the output in agriculture through Green Revolution. And we have already seen that because of growth in IT, information technology, the production of industries have really gone up. It revolutionized the whole thing. And not only that, we have change in social outlook. Social outlook means earlier, there were no equal wages, but nowadays our outlook has changed. Same salaries, whether you are a man or woman. So obviously, as a result, it encouraged people to work more. Obviously, the production will go up. Let's look at this one. Explain modernization goal of 5-year plans. Modernization refers to updation and adoption of new technology. Updation and adoption of new technology in the field of production and a change in social outlook. So one is updation and adoption of new technology in the field of production and a change in the social outlook. The modernization has two main aspects. What are these? One is adoption of new technology. It increases the efficiency and productivity. For example, we have seen Green Revolution, so that revolutionized the whole thing, the production and agriculture, and growth in IT sector. So recently there's a exponential growth in IT sector. As a result, it affected the production in all the industries. And change in social outlook, thinking based on reasoning, and logic also plays an important role in development. For instance, granting equal rights and equal wages to women encourages their participation in the production process. So this is one of the important objectives or important goal of the 5-year plan. So one is modernization, growth and equal justice. So now we'll read it in detail. Modernization goal of 5-year plans. Modernization refers to updation and adoption of new technology in the field of production and a change in social outlook. Thus, modernization has two main aspects. Number one, adoption of new technology. It increases the efficiency and productivity. For instance, Green Revolution in India helped in increasing agricultural production by using high-yielding variety seeds, HIV we call it, and new agricultural technology. Similarly, a revolutionary growth in IT sector, information technology sector, has helped domestic industries to increase production. Adoption of new technology increases productivity, level of production, and consequently the level of income, thereby increasing demand for goods and services in the economy. B. Change in social outlook. Thinking based on reasoning and logic also plays an important role in development. For instance, granting equal rights and equal wages to women encourages their participation in the production process. So modernization is one of the important goals of 5-year plans. Under modernization, we should modernize the industries, we should modernize the agriculture. So we have a live example of this is a green revolution that revolutionized the whole agricultural production through a hybrid variety of seeds, through HIV seeds, and then you have through chemical fertilizers and giving them new machines that really improved the productivity in agriculture. And exponential growth in IT sector has increased the production. Not only these, change in social outlook. What social outlook means, thinking based on reasoning and logic also plays an important role in development. For instance, granting equal rights to and equal wages to women, and that will encourage the participation in production. And that's all we have time for this short video. Till we meet next time, so goodbye from Saddam Hussain. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like all videos. And of course, don't forget to work hard for your board exams, because there is no substitution for hard work. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye and keep smiling. Bye-bye.